Alright, I'll be showing you how to replace a screen or V or D series Skycut. So first of all, I need to remove 4 screws on this side. The screw look like that. So they do not have washers, just a screw. So 4 on this side, here, 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 and here. And then there's 3 on the other side, so you should end up with 7 screws. If you have more or less, that's not the right screws. So after you do that, you can gently get this cover off. Just wiggle it back and forth so it should come out. Change the angle of the camera from this. Okay, so at this point your screen ribbon is located here. There might be a tape like covering it like that, so just careful, pry it open and then wiggle the ribbon connection up like so. Pay attention to the orientation of the ribbon, because if you put it the other way it's not going to work. So after you do that, you can take off your Wi-Fi antenna. Again, it's covered by the sticky tape, so just careful, pry open, get out and get your antenna off. Okay, so I'll do a quick cut in the video, but at this point you can take your cutter and put it somewhere else. To get a bit more room to get to the cover and to replace the screen. Alright, so once you have your cover off, there's going to be 6 screws or 5 screws that are holding this plastic bit to the car. So remove those. After that you can just get your screen part. There you go. That's how it looks. So now we just need to remove 4 screws that hold it in here. And we can take our replacement screen. So pop it in, screw the screws, and then just follow the steps in reverse.